November 4, 1979, a group of Iranian students stormed the U.S. Embassy in Tehran, taking its staff hostage. These young supporters of Ayatollah Khomeini didn't want history to repeat itself.
Part of the rationale of the students who did that was that they were worried that there would be another coup like in '53, and they wanted to preempt that.
It was in the embassy back in the summer of 1953 that CIA operatives had plotted to topple Iran's democratically elected Prime Minister Mohammad Mossadegh. After diplomacy failed to resolve the crisis over the nationalization of Iran's oil industry, the U.S. took action to return the Shah to power. These two historic events have shaped the way both countries see each other.
So we have these very different ideas of two completely separate episodes as the beginnings of the trouble between our two countries. The odd fact is that actually one was the product of the other. The hostage crisis, although we didn't realize it at the time, was a delayed reaction to the 1953 coup.
President Obama has talked of overcoming decades of mistrust, but the Iranian government claims that the expansion of crippling sanctions and ongoing row over its nuclear rights has only deepened the sense of alienation.
Talks with the US won't solve any problem. When have the Americans fulfilled their promises? In the past 60 years, from the August of 1953 till now, whenever our officials trusted the Americans, they have received a blow.
60 years after the coup, the election of a moderate Iranian president offers the hope of better relations. The question is, however, if President Rouhani can open a new era of dialogue between Iran and the US. Khashayar Junaidi, BBC Persian, Washington.